Whoops. Oh, hate it when that happens. So I need to go to Lambda. It's Shuttle 1. Don't fall and die. Let's go with this one. On January 12th, the comet Telos crashed into the Pacific Ocean. The impact ranks as one of the largest collisions ever recorded on Earth. All evidence indicates that the surface has gone completely barren and is no longer able to sustain life. Pathos' two unique locations provided unparalleled safety for our staff. Some structural damage has been noticed, but no casualty reported. The largest loss was the weather and communication station located on the surface platform, Omega, unmanned, which is under the circumstances a small price to pay. Theta will hold an emergency meeting to discuss the future of Pathos 2 and ultimately mankind. More on the matter will follow. Overseer K. Frictional.
I guess it's a good thing we never had any kids. Hard enough looking my parents in the eyes. They're going to a bomb shelter upstate, by the way, along with your dad. I'm guessing someone will help him send you a message somehow. I mean, I hope they will. Hell, I'm not even sure you'll get this message. If you do, I want you to know I never blamed you for following your dreams. I was just mad it didn't fit better with what I imagined our lives would be. I really wanted the picket fence, big family, you know. I guess what I'm trying to say is, I'm proud of you. And even though it's been difficult to be separated from you, I regret nothing. I'm happy. And I really wish I was able to say this without the sky falling down. I love you, Amy. I always have. And always will.
Why are there drawings with the nuts and screws and shit? So are we in space? It's not actually quite clear to me where we are, to be honest. Okay, so that one's definitely fucked up. Why is that one so much different than this one? Like, these shuttles are like night and day with each other, man. It's so nice in here. So quiet after being in the other thing. Shut up. Where'd I put this? Oh.
Shuttle J6 activated. Standing by.
Okay. Oh. I was like, what do I do? Ooh. Okay, I want to go to Lambda. Yeah. What a pleasant ride. This is what it must be like to be a worm. What do we have here?
Welcome to Pathos
Oh,
2,
hi, a movie.
your expressway to the stars.
Yeah.
What started as a thermal mining operation in the 60s has now become home to the Omega
60s?
Space Gun, the world's most affordable
2006?
way to launch satellites and deep space probes. Our unique Atlantic Ocean location allows for this gigantic coil gun, running longer than a marathon, to safely launch projectiles without risk of damaging the payload with risky combustion. The station spans multiple sites and has a diverse staff of engineers and scientists.
So we're on Earth.
Together, they are able to produce, assemble, and launch the world's most sophisticated spacecrafts. In addition to our principal operation, Pathos 2 is also the home for multiple research projects within the marine sciences, including hydroculture, turbulence, and deep-sea construction. We are now leaving Upsilon for Lambda. Lambda is Pathos 2's shipping dock and transportation hub. There, you will be able to find shuttle trains leading to all the other parts of the station.
Thank you for that well-informed video. You've made my ride more pleasant. Whoops. Oh, hate it when that happens. I don't think there was a seatbelt. Maybe the thing should have had a seatbelt, you know? Maybe. Deploy emergency brakes. Where'd you deploy them at? I'm gonna need this. Alright. I'm out. Let's get wet up here. I feel like I was crouched, but I wasn't.
Simon, are you there?
I am here.
Catherine, is that you? I was on my way, but then the shuttle train, it fucking crashed.
Are you alright? The system says the section is sealed for a suspected hull breach.
No, I'm not all right. What the hell happened to the world? Why are we underwater?
Wow, you're really out of place, aren't you? Look, don't worry about that right now. I realize you're confused, but you're so close to Lambda. If you just keep going.
How close? Can I walk there?
Yeah, but the tunnel is locked off to protect the overall structure from collapsing. What you need to find is your section's maintenance hatch. It'll lead outside.
Maintenance hatch. No problem.
What is that? What's going on out there? I gotta go. See you soon, Simon.
Can I trust
Catherine?
her?
You okay?
I don't know. I don't know if anyone's okay, man. Things are not good. Just run the whole way there, right? Well, there's an exit. Just go out that way. So I guess these aren't always just to heal me, because this one looks like I have to touch it. Oh, well that's not good.
Jesus Christ!
What the fuck
What
just
the
happened? That didn't really help in any way, shape, or form. Okay. I guess back this way? I was right. This is the way. I just had to go get my hand sucked off first. Hand job. Click. Ooh. Can I close this? I know there's no reason to. It's just wondering. It closed itself. Oh, we Okay, we're in an airlock.
Here we go again.
I guess it opens itself. Maybe. Open. Open sesame. Open. Me says. Oh, there we go. God damn it, slow. Why you gotta be so slow? There are places to be. Lambda. Every time I say lambda, it makes me think of Nambla.
I can find Lambda, right? I mean, really? How big can this ocean be?
Right. How big can an ocean be? That does not instill me with confidence. Words such as those. That flashlight doesn't do jack shit. I guess we are underwater, but I want more light. I need more light. I need a lot of light. Where's my little helper man? He should, like, just find me. "350 leagues under the sea." There's gonna be something bad out here. Hey, look, Lambda. Lambda. We found it. It doesn't look so good. Nothing. There's no noise. These robots. I feel like I'm a robot though, so it doesn't really sneak by him. You saw nothing. This music doesn't make me feel good. Here's the thing I was in, I believe. Maybe. Maybe not. This one actually works. Nice.
This must be Lambda. Or Catherine is.
I feel like that one just wasn't gonna work. I think only one side works. Drain this water out of here. Chasing Catherine. Let's put this on a hard hat. Okay. Things don't look so good. What was that?
Catherine?
Be quiet! Don't look at it!
Okay, not looking at it. Kind of looking at it just a little bit. Okay, it's coming right for me. Is it? Catherine?
Simon, are you there? I'm hurt.
Great. Of course you are. What the fuck happened in here? Where are you?
Simon, right here.
Oh, motherfucker.
No, not you too. I was really hoping you were human.
Don't let the circuitry fool you. I was human once.
Well, at least she knows.
Everything's fucked. I give up. There's nothing left.
Calm down. It's not the end of the world.
You sure? It sure as hell looks like it. For all I know, there's no one left except for me.
What do you mean? I'm right here.
Don't take this the wrong way, but I meant any humans left except for me.
Have you looked at yourself lately? You're a walking, talking diving suit with some electronics slapped on for good measure.
I don't.
You don't want to think about it? We'll start thinking about it.
I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to be this. I want out.
Before you do anything hasty, could you help me with something?
What?
I was trying to find out what happened with my project when that brute knocked me to the ground.
Your project? How could anything possibly matter when you know you're a stupid robot in a stupid dead world?
Okay, focus. I need you to fix me so I can get back to work. Then you can sulk as much as you want.
You gotta be kidding, right? I think I have a better chance of building myself a time machine than of putting you back together.
I just need to access the computer. Oh, is that an Omnitool you're carrying?
Oh, the door opener? I picked it up at Upsilon where I woke up.
That'll have to do. Plug it into the terminal.
Sure, whatever.
When the Omnitool is loaded, just plug my Cortex chip into the tool.
What's a Cortex chip?
It will be obvious. I'll eject it for you. Just grab the chip and slide it into the Omnitool. Come on, I just need you to do this one thing for me.
Sure, whatever.
Lambda terminal 27 activated.
The Omnitool is ready now. Should be easy enough. Just pick up the chip and slide it into the Omnitool.
Why does a robot chip fit a door opener?
It's standardized connection.
Catherine? All right, let's give this a try.
Okay.
Custom Cortex chip found. Shutting down helper chain. Have a nice day.
Oh man,
Just pretty much anything will fit. Oh, this feels weird. I'm in the Omnitool? Thanks.
So, what's the project about?
My project? Oh, well, I saved all the people on the station as brain scans and put them into an artificial world. We were going to launch it into space to save it from, well, all of this.
Are you telling me that you were going to launch a computer world filled with people into space?
Yes. It was just a pet project at first, but it got really serious after the comet took out the surface. Then suddenly it became very important, and it was officially named the Ark.
That's appropriate. How far did you get?
I don't know. That version of me that I am. He came from a scan I did pretty early on. The living Catherine could very well have finished the project and launched it. I guess she could even still be alive. Weird thought.
So the
That is
talking
weird.
robots, are they also scans you did?
They could be, but I doubt it. I'd expect much more sense if that was the case. All right, finally.
What's happening?
I managed to restore some data from the backup server. This should tell us everything we need. Oh. Could you do me a favor and run into the other room and have a look? I don't seem to be able to view the files in this condition. I need to know that the Ark is safe.
Sure, Kath.
Thanks. I'll unlock the door for you.
okay.
What was it said before? You're from Toronto?
Yeah, I just went in for a brain scan and suddenly here I am.
That doesn't make any sense. How? Why would anyone bring a scan from Toronto?
You think that's strange? What if I tell you it was back in 2015?
Whoa.
This is really interesting. Like, what if the Toronto I'm from is her simulated world? It's like I wasn't actually from Toronto. I was from a simulation of Toronto.
Can't make any sense of it.
You say something?
Sorry, still trying to figure out how you got here.
Keep at it. I'd really like to know who thought sending a Canadian to the bottom of the sea was a good idea.
What are you doing? Be careful.
Stayed up all night. Seems like a waste of sleep. I got the TV on in the background. The newscasters are covering incoming comet like they were kind of New Year's Eve. I know I've messed up wishing you were here with me. I suppose if anyone has a chance to survive this thing, could be you guys below the waves. I hope you're able to go on while it's worth living. Looks like this shit's about to hit the fan.
There's really no way around this. A freaking comet killed the planet.
Afraid so.
You were all stranded down here.
And we were the lucky ones.